Okay, you guys, this is my bacon, egg, and grilled cheese sandwich. I got it toasted on one side, and I got my coffee brewing over there. Okay, so I'm gonna be back shortly. Hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys, my breakfast sandwich is all done. Once again, it's a bacon, egg, and cheese. Grilled cheese, rather. Let me show you how I look in the inside. This is hot. Ouch. Let me just do it like that. Can y'all see that real good? It don't look like it. You see that bacon? I think a piece of bacon fell out. Something hot hit my hand. Yep, it's a piece of bacon. Cheesy goodness. There we go. The bacon up in there. So food tastes better hot. So I thank you guys for watching. And I will be back later. Bye bye for now.